Bodhicitta can quickly transform the ordinary human body that is impure and unpleasant into the Buddha body that is so perfect in appearance that beings will not tire of seeing it, and that can benefit all sentient beings at all times. Without bodhicitta, all forms of good deeds, like doing prostrations and circumambulations, chanting sutras and mantras, would be like the banana tree that bears fruit once and then decays. Quite the contrary, the good deeds carried out with bodhicitta are like the wish-fulfilling tree in the celestial world, or a fruit tree on earth, which keeps bearing fruit one after another. Bodhicitta can result in rebirth as a benevolent ruler, like a universal monarch on earth, or Indra and Brahma in the celestial realm. Finally, you can attain supreme Buddhahood to constantly benefit all beings spontaneously and pervasively.